Hi, my name is Audrey Thomas, founder of Organized Audrey, and today's productivity pointer has to do with how to be organized and productive when traveling. As you can see, I'm standing in my closet, and based on questions that I have received from people through the years on how do I stay organized when traveling, I thought I would do a quick travel segment for you here today. So the first thing I want to touch on is brands of luggage. So I have, over the last 20 to 25 years, consistently used two bags. The first one is the brand Travel Pro, and the second one is Briggs & Riley. What I like about both of these brands is that they offer a lifetime warranty on parts such as the wheels and the handle. So you might want to consider that if you do quite a bit of travel. The second thing that I started using probably close to 15 years ago now are these things called travel cubes. And they just recently, in the last 5 years, I would say, have really gained popularity. And you can go online and just do a search for travel cubes. But this is mine, and mine has a mesh top so I can see through it. And it lays pretty flat. But what I like about it is you just roll up your clothes. Like this one is great for t-shirts. And so I can line up 10 or 15 t-shirts in here, and it's a way for you to get more clothing inside of a traditional suitcase. The next product that I want to share with you is, they're called clear travel packing envelopes. And again, you can go out and research or do a search for that, just travel packing envelopes. And mine came with 8 different envelopes, all fit within, different sizes. So this one is a small one that I love, and it's kind of my emergency envelope. So in this, I've got my sewing kit, and I have tea bags and earplugs and band-aids and those sorts of things. And this just stays packed and in my luggage all the time. This one here I use for my cosmetics. So ladies, I want to touch on just a couple things for you right now on cosmetics because we all have them and we all love to travel with them. So this here is the travel size of my moisturizer that I get from the makeup company that I use. However, I no longer take this with me on trips because I found a great way to take this product with me, but it even takes up less space than this little tube. Several years ago, I discovered that makeup counters in large department stores such as Nordstrom's often give away very small containers. And I want you to see just how small they are. Here's 2 in the palm of my hand. They also give away this little bottle here. So in this little bottle, I can put my Moroccan oil for my hair. In these, I can put a week's worth of foundation, a week's worth of face soap, a week's worth of moisturizer. And so all of a sudden, I no longer have the travel tubes, I have these little itty bitty containers. Another container that works just as well for almost the same amount is a contact case. So you can put in foundation or moisturizer in one of these. I use a contact case for my vitamins. So when I'm going on a trip of 3 days or less, I can get my vitamins in these 2 containers right here. The next tip that I'd like to give to you has to do with nutrition and health and energy while you're traveling. I always travel with snack bags of almonds or walnuts, sometimes some protein bars. I try to remember to take an empty water bottle with me so that once I get through security, I can fill it up for free and not have to spend $3 on a bottle of water. I keep that bottle with me all the way to my hotel. And then before I go up to my room, I usually stop into the fitness room because there's always a water fountain there, and I can fill up my water bottle there, so I've got fresh drinking water in my hotel room. I hope you have enjoyed these productivity pointers brought to you by Organized Audrey, where our goal is to help you get more done with less stress. Make it a great day and safe travels.